Hey everybody, Sean Mogensen here with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you our 2008 Monaco Knight 38 PDQ. It's a beautiful coach inside and out. Come with me and let's take a look. Alright guys, let's start here in the cockpit. If you'll notice, it's got flex steel captains and passenger seats throughout the coach. Your cockpit is thoroughly ergonomical. Backup camera, all your controls there. Moving along, we've got on the passenger side here, full ultra leather sofa sleeper. We've got a 3-burner cooktop, convection microwave, 4-door Norcold refrigerator freezer, satin chrome finish all the way through. You've got a dinette over here, 2-seat table, and we've got his and her recliners, leather recliners for your comfort after a long days of driving. Moving to the middle, we have a full bathroom, neo angle glass door shower, full bathroom. In the bedroom, we have a full wall slide of your wardrobe, full closet for hanging everything along the whole back of the coach, and a nice queen bed, and you've got windows on either side to get that fresh air in when you're ready. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed looking over this Monaco Knight 38 PDQ with me. Don't hesitate to call me with any questions you may have. 541-780-4981.